Jordan, a land of ancient wonders, vibrant culture and boundless beauty. As a photographer, it's a destination that promises captivating landscapes and rich narratives. So join me on this reflection journey about my last trip to Jordan, because this is an extraordinary country and I really feel the need to share my emotions and feelings with you. Guys, it's good to be back here. The desert, a place where time seems to stand still, yet every grain of sand whispers tales of resilience and change. Venturing into Jordan's wild desert, I found myself immersed in a world of endless horizons and silent echoes. So this was my very first trip to desert, a landscape I ever dreamed to visit one day, and this last December my dream came true. I had the opportunity to join this Jordan trip as a group content creator, and so I packed my bag, I filled it with all the piece of gear I thought it was interesting and useful to bring with me to tell this story, and I put myself into this new, interesting and compelling adventure, leaving my comfort zone, which is every time a winning choice. In the desert of Wadi Rum, we had the occasion to spend the night into a tented camp hosted by desert Bedouins. A very authentic experience, I can say. I worked on capturing the essence of the desert, which evokes solitude and sense of vastness in every dune or rock you put your eye on. All of these were a new kind of shapes to me. Every shadows tell a story of immensity and immortality. The colors of the dunes were astonishing at sunset, so vivid and real to be unrealistic. In that moment I thought that as a photographer you could never really own your pictures, you're not the real owner of them. You can just be the medium through which other people can experience that beauty. And that's unbelievable. That's so incredible.
Ready to go. This is a magnificent perspective. So beautiful. So we're now looking for another perspective closer, and we are on the right. Gorgeous, absolutely.
The feeling I had for most of the time we spent in Jordan were to be so small and insignificant, and with this came the awareness of being just a guest, just a traveler on this planet. I think it's so important for photographers to condense their feelings about a specific photographic project and take the time to reflect on it without the noise of the everyday life. From the vast expanse of the desert, my journey led me to the beating heart of Amman, where the city's vibrant, crowded streets and interesting stores pulse with life and colors. Here I discovered rare pieces of Jordan culture woven into every corner.
Thank you. Shukran.
In the labyrinth of Amman's local market called Souk, I found beauty in the ordinary. The aroma of spices, the sight of merchants, and the intricate streets of the market. Each photograph became a window into the soul of the city, capturing moments of joy, authenticity and human connection. At the end, I understand that behind every picture we take, we capture a piece of ourselves as well. In the desert vastness and in the market intimacy, I found reflections of my own journey. Moments of solitude, moments of connection, moments of wonders. So in conclusion, I want to thank you for joining me on this trip, and I don't know, what else? Life is so unpredictable in a certain way. Never expected to be a photographer, never ever in my life planned to make videos about photography. Becoming aware of what I can do through my photography is so incredible. It's a superpower of self-consciousness. So I invite you to take your camera, go out and shoot what you feel you have to shoot, because we are medium. We are just tools to spread beauty across the world. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this content. We'll see in the next video, my dear friend. Bye.